Welcome to sibling pose number 5 in their arms. This is particularly good for older siblings who are very capable of holding a new baby. Start by showing them how you would like to hold the baby. So cross their hands over, one hand higher than the other, and the higher hand is the hand that will support the baby's head. Now, when you place your baby into their hands, just show them that you want their thumb and their fingers to come alongside the baby's head, not in front. They're going to very carefully and very gently help to hold the baby's hand in place that's alongside their own head. And just keep a watchful eye that your child's thumbs don't end up in your baby's face. Now, before you let go of your baby, and whilst you are still showing your child how you want them to hold the baby, just let them know that the weight of their baby should be against their chest, not away from their chest. If the baby is away from their chest, the baby has a high chance of falling forward. You want the baby's weight to be against their chest so that they feel like they are fully supporting that baby. Your child may well feel more comfortable as well, leaning against a solid surface. This would help to stop them from arching over or getting a sore back. So now that your child is happy and ready and confident, comfortable, it's time to take some photographs. So if you have one sibling, then this is where you would have your child raise their hands even higher and try and get them to bring the baby as close to their face as possible. With two siblings, as we have here, you can ask the other child to come to the side. Don't go from behind, because otherwise you'll end up not seeing them properly, and you want them to be a little bit closer. You want them to be further forward so that all their faces are equally as prominent. You can ask them to give each other cuddles and squeezes. And for a variety of different photos, ask your children to look at the baby and check out the baby's nose. Ask them who they think the baby looks like, just to get them to look at the baby long enough to take a photograph. There's all sorts of different approaches. Just do what works for you. And on the note of wrapping or not wrapping, I would recommend wrapping your baby so that they have one arm up alongside their head and the other hand can be exposed as well. It's a very sweet look. It also is a wonderful way of hiding putting a nappy on your baby, which I would recommend so that they don't wee all over your children, because that's going to be enough to stop them from wanting to hold their baby.